Good evening, friends in Mumbai. I am Dayanand Nene from Sahakar Sutra. Friends, are you aware of the fact that the Mumbai Municipal Corporation has now prohibited the enclosement of balconies in the flats? This is so because, as per the announcement made by the BMC, it no longer recognizes lily ponds, flower beds and balconies. Friends, balconies are now considered as part of FSI, and that is the reason why BMC has decided to not recognize the concept of balconies henceforth. We are all aware that for many years people have been purchasing flats in Mumbai, and after some period of time, after some time, they enclose the balconies and integrate them with the living rooms. This they do many often without permission from the local cooperative society in which they stay and the local corporation. The societies many times complain to the corporation about it, and then the syndicate of the local corporator, the local politicians and BMC officials come in picture and starts red tapeism, blackmail and manipulation. Things are often managed with the help of these local politicians and the BMC officials, and even though a complaint against the illegal construction or illegal enclosement is there, no action is taken against that particular flat owner. By doing away with the concept of balcony, the BMC hopes that this will stop allegations of red tape and manipulation against the corporation. As the BMC has now banned the concept of balconies, balconies henceforth cannot protrude out in the open spaces. And as a part of this, the BMC has totally banned construction of balconies on ground floors. Friends, interior decorators and architects are ingenious tribe, and I am very confident that they will still find out some loophole and some ways and means as to how the balconies can still be enclosed and integrated with the living rooms of flats. But friends, a word of caution to all of you. In spite of whatever advice is given to you by the architects and your interior decorators, or whatever ideas or dreams they sell you, please take approval from the local authorities if you are planning to enclose the balcony and integrate it with your living room. Then ensure that the entire work is overseen by an architect or a qualified civil engineer. Look for aging signs of the extended or protruded portions of the balcony, because many times wear and tear makes these portions weak and vulnerable. So look for aging signs. Ensure that a proper certificate is given by the architect and a go-ahead by the civil engineer. And most importantly, please follow all the rules and regulations decided by the National Building Code of India before embarking on such work. Friends, so much for today. We will come up with some new issue pertaining to the Cooperative Housing Society matters tomorrow. a presentation on how to enclose the balconies without doing any illegal activity and what care should be taken follows my talk. Do watch the presentation. Thank you.